If you need to send money from Europe to the United States in 2026, the process is actually easier than most people think. But honestly, many people lose money because they choose the wrong transfer method, pay high fees, or get poor exchange rates. So in this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to send money from Europe to the USA and how the process works, step by step. First, let's talk about the most popular option, money transfer services. Because companies like Wise and Remitly specialize in international transfers and are often cheaper than traditional banks. The process is simple. Create an account, verify your identity, enter the recipient's information, choose the amount you want to send and pay using bank transfer, debit card, or other available methods. Then the money is delivered directly to the recipient's U.S. bank account. Now another option, traditional bank transfers. Because almost every European bank can send money internationally using the SWIFT network. This method is reliable, but honestly, it is often more expensive because banks may charge transfer fees, intermediary bank fees, and exchange rate markups, so always compare costs before sending. Now let's talk about the information you'll need, because most transfers require recipient's full name, U.S. bank account number, bank routing number, and sometimes the bank's address. Double-check everything, because even a small mistake can delay the transfer. Now, another important factor, exchange rates. Because the amount received in U.S. dollars depends on the conversion rate. And honestly, this is where many people lose money without realizing it. Always compare the final amount the recipient will receive, not just the advertised fee. Now let's talk about transfer speed, because delivery times vary. Some services can deliver money within minutes or hours, while bank transfers may take several business days depending on the countries and banks involved. Now something very important, verify the recipient before sending. Because international transfers are often difficult to reverse, always confirm account details, recipient name, and payment amount before completing the transaction. Now, let's be honest for a second. For most people in 2026, specialized transfer services are usually faster and cheaper than traditional banks, especially for personal transfers. So to wrap this up, if you want to send money from Europe to the USA, compare exchange rates, check transfer fees, verify recipient information, and choose a trusted transfer service or bank. Because honestly, a few minutes of comparison can save you a surprising amount of money.